Pause the video now, have a go at the question, and press play when you're ready for the solution. Okay, so the final goal of this question is to find the height of shape C. So let's see the other information we have about the other three shapes. So for shapes A and B, we have information about the volume. So we can write the volume scale factor as a ratio. So volume scale factor we know is 64 to 125. So therefore we can work out the length scale factor. And we do this by taking the cube root of both values. So the cube root of 64 is 4, and then the cube root of 125 is 5. Now let's look at the information we have about shapes B and C. So shapes B and C. And here we have information about the surface area. So surface area, scale factor, and this is 9 to 49. And then to get down to the length scale factor, we take the square root of this. So square root of 9 is 3, the square root of 49 is 7. Okay, so now I've run out of room. So we have A to B is 4 to 5, and B to C is 3 to 7. So we just got to remember those numbers. So we've got A, B, and C. So the numbers were, so I've got one sheet of paper written in front of me. So 4 to 5, and we don't know this one, and then we've got 3 to 7 here. So we want to make this into one ratio. So we find the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3, which is 15. And then to get from 5 to 15, we times it by 3. So we're going to have to times 4 by 3, which is 12. And then here to get from 3 to 15, we times by 5. So we have to times 7 by 5, which is 35. Okay, so we have our final combined ratio. So now what we have to do is, we are given that the height of shape A is 36. So 36 centimetres. So we think, how did we get from 12 to 36? We multiply by 3. So then all we have to do to find the height of shape C is also multiply by 3, which is 105. So our final answer is 105 centimetres.